Welcome to Root Machines Week 1 updates. This is Bilal. Root Machines in the Unity WebGL 2021.3 URP project, and it's a fast-paced arena FPS in which the emphasis is on active enemy or AI design, and it is being developed in association with HomeTeam GameDev community. The link to join them is in the description below. So here are the additions and changes. Quister added scanning laser eye with trail effect. It's work in progress and it looks really cool. I implemented power bar, added alt fire with quick burst, with recoil of course. And then there's the health, power, and damage. There's also the bug fix that the gun gets fired on the start screen. Now it's no longer no longer does that. And I have also experimented with fake lighting, improved muzzle, and removed light from player projectile and replaced it with some particle effects so that it looks good. And I added AI controller, state, and state manager, which is work in progress. I have also added idle state and directional tilt to AI controller. Basically, if the AI moves the enemy somewhere, right? If the controller moves the enemy, then it tilts towards that movement, right? And I will show it to you. And then I have also done some visual improvements. So it's game time, and let's check out the game. Uh, yeah, there it is. And now let's just play it. So now if I click, it doesn't shoot. Okay, if I play it, as you can see, some experimentation with fake lighting. It's just an emissive material with some particles, emissive particles on it. And yeah, there's the Crysters scanning bot, and as you can see, it has a line renderer with a trail that looks very good. I have fixed those that awkward bug in which the trail render just goes crazy, and now it simply you know uh, gets small and disappears in the end, right? Which kind of fixed it. So yeah, that is the Crysters, uh, laser, you can say, the scanning laser. And then there's this these enemies. As you can see, they tilt towards where they're moving, and it's the idle state actually. Yeah. So there are many of these, and as you can see, the good thing about these enemies is that I can spot them from far simply because of the LEDs that I have added on top of them, which is basically, I believe, there are emissive materials as well. Yeah, so I can also shoot them. So let's shoot. There you go. It dies after three hitting, right? Three bullets get hit and it dies, I guess. So yeah, it's a pretty basic idle state and nothing else. And here's what happens if I just, click left click. And as the power bar, as you can see on the hand, the power bar, right? As it depletes, the accuracy also decreases, right? The last bullets get less accuracy, whereas if the power bar is full and I shoot, it's 100% accuracy, right? So let me just decrease the accuracy there. As you can see, it's, not accurate. And the same goes for the right click burst or alt fire, which is very cool. There, yeah, that's how it works. It's not shotgun, but I believe that is what I really wanted. Like having multiple bullets shooting in succession. And as you can see, the first bullets are accurate, but as the power bar depletes, the other bullets get less accurate. You know, which I think is pretty cool. And let's just try and shoot this. Oh my god. Yeah, the problem with, this quick burst is that it's not as accurate as, single click fire. Which is why the player would want to use that as compared to, oh, that's, as compared to right click, right? And I guess my camera is turned off. Well, no worries. And there it is. That is the game. And yeah, let's move on to the next stuff, which is what we're gonna do next week. There's the art, there's the code, and there is the sound. For the art, we are going for two drone models, a rocket and a frag, small rocket and small frag. I should have mentioned small. because there's another version of Rocket and Frag which are gonna be a little bigger than Rocket and Frag, or maybe we can use just one model for both of them. Up to the artist if there is some modeler. And then as for the coding, let's go for debug spawning for quick testing if you want. I believe it's very useful. And then there's the alert state and self-destruct state. Yes, you can also do the state work. If you just follow along the idle state, you will understand how state works, and you can also implement one of yours. And there's the sound, basically the flapping wings, the rotating or flapping whatever wings, like drone. And there's an image of what I want for the drone, right? Actually, it is just showing one image, which is pretty bad. And let's just quickly go to the other image as well. That is the mother drone, and that is the regular drone, right? So the mother drone is the second drone. Um, I believe it's this one. This one is the mother drone, and this one is the drones that will follow the mother drone, right? They basically listen to that mother drone, and that is what I wanted for the models. And let's move on. Um, yeah, that is all. So thank you for your contributions and for watching the update.